Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here, and this video I'm just going to create a one more scanner. So in last 2 or 3 videos we are creating a scanners based on the supply demand and the rally based and drop based kind of patterns. And this video also we are going to create that rally based drop. So already we completed drop based drop and rally based rally. So these all three we completed, and today's scanner which we are going to create this one, so rally based drop. So using a charting scanners we are going to create this pattern, and if any stock which forming a such a pattern, that would be filtered by the scanner, and we may be using for our supply demand trading strategy. And this is what a particular scan which are going to do by the daily time frame. And maybe in next videos we can try to create in hourly and minimum time frame. So because so a lot of response from this kind of scanners, so maybe we can try to create in a lower time frame, as well as even we can use it which can be happen at the trend reversal point also. And this is what the initial step. So you are giving you some good response on our channel, and the subscribing the channel is very good. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. And maybe if you have any questions or doubt also, you just comment on the comment box, or you directly WhatsApp me on the number which shown on this video. Okay, so let me start. This is what a base criteria. So this would be a pattern which we are going to take. That boring candle, this would be a boring candle, and this would be explosive candle. Okay, so by using this boring and explosive candle, so but not all the times, so the boring and explosive candles may not happen, but based on the daily time frame, so we are going to take an opportunity. So let me try how that boring and explosive candle. So LIC Housing Finance, boring and explosive candle. So let me check LIC Housing Finance, sorry, LIC Housing Finance. So this would be a big candle, and next one is the small, and the next one is the green. So it is a rally, base rally kind of pattern, and some other stocks. But here also it came, and MGL and Aditya Birla. So that we are filtering out here in this particular scanner. But we need to add some more conditions to create even better results. Okay, so let me try for some other stocks, SBI Life. So how it is exactly. So base and rally. So this is what looks like a rally base drop. So that we are exactly looking for this. And if it is happening at highest level, we may be expecting a trend reversal. But in this case, the drop candle is not a big. So we need to fetch the details, and we can create that one in our scanner. So we got a lot of stocks here, but to filter out, the first candle should be the bull candle. The second candle, we are not calculating whether it may be a bullish or it may be a bearish, because the base candle may be a positive candle or negative candle. But the explosive candle should be, first one should be the bullish one, and the last one should be the bearish, and the middle one may be less than the previous one only. But it may be a green or red, so we can take a consideration. Okay, so let me try for first candle should be green, so that we use the normal conditions, and this codings are using some of customized indicator. Okay, that would be available on my premium group. Anyone who want to access all my premium scanners, you just ping me on my WhatsApp, or you can just get the premium group. It's a paid one, so if you want, you can get more detail on my WhatsApp also. Okay, so daily close is greater than the particular days open, and it should be 2 days ago. Okay, so that day we have to get green candle in 2 days back, and one more condition which we have had, and daily close is less than. So we are fetching the data by today's candle and 2 days ago candle. So that simply tell you first one will be, you can see initially we have a lot of stocks, but you can look at this only few stocks. So Container Corporation and Jubilant Food, Concor. So what's happening here? Yeah, rally in the base in the drop, but this base candle should be very big compared to the drop candle. So you can see the drop candle is very smaller. Okay, comparatively the base candle. So base should be the smaller candle. Okay, and drop should be the bigger candle, and rally should be also be a bigger candle. So the base would be the very smaller, but in this case, are we finding out bigger candle? So comparatively, it is an inside candle like that, but this is not a right one. So we have to modify this formula. Okay. So simply we are using the range of this candle to find out. So ABS is absolute value, so we will be getting the positive numbers. Okay, sometimes if the negative candle, if you are calculating, so we should use close minus, sorry, open minus close. If it is a positive candle, close minus open. But if you are using an ABS, that will always issue the positive values. That is the logic of the ABS. Okay, so we'll try to for 2 days ago high minus low. It must be greater than uh, ABS. ABS, I already told you what is the value. So I minus low of ABS into number 2 times or 3 times. That why we are using this number function. So we can adjust the scanner. Okay, so if you are making this one, and here one which you have seen SBI Life, na? Sorry, Kanka, that may not be scanned by this one. So by using this filter, if you are looking at, so most of the stocks are removed. So because it is not satisfying. So if you are looking at only the SBI Life, and the previous one should be a TV Tata Motors, sorry, Tata Motors, that would be a drop, decent drop. So comparatively drop candle and the base candle and another drop candle. Okay, so but why it is showing a drop based drop, rally based drop, right? First one should be the rally. It is showing a wrong thing. So let me check. Sorry. It is on 2-9. Okay, 2-9 here, 2-9. Yeah, this is what an area. So where we are getting first candle is a rally candle and a drop and sorry base and the drop. So we will be finding sometimes we will be getting the drop candle should be even higher. The high of the drop candle should be higher than the previous one. That also we can create with this condition. But as of now, so this would be we created, and let me check some of the conditions, some of the stocks, and this would be a one which is irritating right now. So whenever you came to that point, right. So something like that back. Dixon, yes, I think this would be area 27th. Yeah, exactly a explosive candle and the base candle and then a drop candle. So maybe here the trend reversal at the top level. So if that would be happen at the top level. So if you are looking at this image, it isn't exactly, but the drop candle should be not big, but comparatively bigger than the previous one. Or we can create one more conditions to find a drop candle also be very big, comparatively more than the previous one. So same thing which we can use. So here should be daily candle and greater than. So here if you are using this, you will be getting very few or no greater than 1 day ago. Sorry. 2 days ago, it should be 1 day ago. Let me add this. Usually, while creating the scanners, we should compare. Yeah, perfect one. So rally, a base, a drop. Okay. So few back test results. Whether if it is fetching the Asian Paint device lab Biocon on 23 Asian Paint 23.8 here rally base drop Asian Paint Biocon, where it is here perfect one rally base drop. Okay, so we finding this based on the pattern. Okay, that will helping you, and already it is higher than the previous one, so we should simply ignore this. This is not a necessary condition. So previous condition is works because we did it on daily time frame, and that is the issue. So now we finding a pattern like rally, a base, and a drop. So that would be a one more interesting scanner. So which you have created almost we are by using this video, and we created this and this and this and this. So all the scanners which you have created, rally based drop is the another example. If you want to find how where it is happening at highest level, that is also we can add some more conditions to find it. But if you get some minimum number of stocks, we will be easily find. And if you want to filter out, so you should use the number 3 and you can adjust the explosion boring candle also. Here very few number of stocks, so you may be easily adjust the values, and you will be getting higher and lower level stocks from the scanner itself. So I hope you enjoyed the session, and thank you so much. Thanks for giving you some big support on my channel, and thank you very much. If you have any other questions or doubts, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for joining the session, and thank you so much.